Hey guys, welcome to Life with the Rebel. So today we're going to be checking out these new Kemimoto EVA hard shell bags made for the Honda Rebel 300 and 500. Kemimoto actually sent these out for me to test and review. So today we're going to do a quick unboxing, install them on the bike, and then take them out for a ride and see how they do in the real world. I'll put a link in the description. All right, let's get started. So everything came packed pretty nicely. So first impressions, these actually feel pretty solid. They're made out of a EVA material, which is basically a lightweight hard shell material that helps with shock resistance and keeping the bags in shape. I actually like the overall design. It's pretty simple and clean looking. One thing I noticed right away is this bright orange interior. That's actually pretty useful because it makes stuff easier to see. Inside you have multiple pockets. You also have elastic straps to help keep smaller items from moving around in the bag. Dual zippers on the bag, which makes opening and closing it a little bit easier from different angles. And the Kemimoto logo is nice and simple, which I like. And it's also reflective. That's a nice little touch actually. All right guys, let's go ahead and throw these on the Rebel and see how they look. Installation looks pretty easy. There's just 4 Velcro straps. Okay guys, what you want to do is loop the straps from behind the frame. And to make things easier, I used a little flathead screwdriver to help pull the straps out. I also used a screwdriver to get the strap in between some paneling. If you're unsure, check the instructions for the proper strap placement. Other than that, the installation is pretty easy. Should only take you guys maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Once everything's on and secure, I just went ahead and cut off some of that extra length of strap. Okay, the bags are on. Let's go ahead and see what kind of stuff we could put in here, and then we'll take it for a quick road test. I have some typical stuff, your phone, paperwork. I got some reading glasses, reflective belt, a little multi-tool I carry with me. Probably keep my garage door opener in here too. So that's this side. So for this side, guys, I decided to use this for some of my recording equipment. I got a couple cameras in here. I got a little tripod, screwdriver, some extra batteries for my camera, some USB cables, and there's room for a few other knickknacks too. Let's go ahead and hit the road and take it over to the park. Oh, man, it's windy today, so that'll be a good test for these bags here. See if they fly off or not. But yeah, they don't look bad on the bike. I think it makes the bike look chunkier, a bit wider, but they're not in the way or anything. I can still move my legs back and forth, no problem. Not hitting the bags, but I don't hear any vibrations or noise or bags slapping around or anything. They seem to be on there pretty secure. They're not moving. Yeah, we'll go ahead and stop at the park and have another look, see how they look on the bike. So there we go, guys. I mean, first impressions, yeah, I like the bags. I mean, for one, I like the way they look, that minimal styling. I like the fact that I could carry a lot of little knickknacks in there, like my reading glasses, some video recording equipment. I like how it covers the engine a bit so you don't see all that extra space on top. It kind of makes it filled in a little bit more chunky looking. And I appreciate that extra storage because, I mean, let's face it, when it comes to the Honda Rebel 300 and 500, there is practically no storage space unless you maybe put something underneath the seat, like a rag or something. But that's about it. But yeah, I see myself using these bags for quite some time. Big thanks again to Kemimoto for sending these out for a review. I appreciate it. And if you guys want to check out a pair, I'll put a link in the description below. That's it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Honda Rebel 300 content. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Life with the Rebel. I'm out.